Hey, it's coming after me. Where'd it go? It's coming after me again. Ah! Well, that's entertainment.
Rusty says, I don't want to go in there. See, except you don't barely get in the corners.
No.
That's the only problem.
So the dog doesn't like it then.
Oh, he don't mind him, but he stays away from him, which is good.
Well, there it goes. Guess you gotta lift your feet if it gets coming at you too. You know what? This thing seems to know where I'm at. It keeps coming after me.
Yeah, it really does. He's cleaned in front of my chair, dog.
Well, that's all right.